Yeah, it's your boy Mir again. So I'm back, I touched down. I'm in London, y'all. Yeah. So I had a long flight, a lot of traveling from the airport to my hotel. I'm gonna take a quick nap and I'll pick you up.
Before I take that nap, my God, you see the difference?
15 minutes later.
Yeah, it's your boy Mir. I'm outside at this bus stop waiting on the 702 out here in London. Yeah, I travels and I get on public transportation in different countries, different continents. But let me watch my six. I love you all. You take care.